Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at how to build a simple voice recorder using Python. It records your voice and then saves it as a .wav file. So without further ado, let's get started. Now before we begin building our voice recorder, we need to install a couple of modules. The first one we're going to install is called sounddevice. So in your terminal, go ahead and type pip install sounddevice and press enter. Then we're going to install scipy. So again, in your terminal, type pip install scipy and hit enter. And we need one more module called numpy. So in your terminal, type pip install numpy and hit enter and you'll have it in no time. Now let's begin building our program. We're going to start by importing the modules we've just installed. We're going to say import sounddevice as SD. This imports the sounddevice library and lets us use SD to record the audio from your microphone. Then we're going to import numpy as NP. We'll use numpy to manage and combine our audio data, which is stored as arrays. Next, we're going to say from scipy io.wav file import write. This lets us record audio into a .wav file. We're also going to say from datetime import datetime. We'll use this to generate a unique file name with the current date and time. And finally, we're going to import threading. This allows our program to run in the background so that our user can press enter and stop the program. Next, we'll create a variable and we're going to call it fs, and I'll set this variable to 44,100. This is the sample rating, meaning 44,100 samples per second or CD quality audio. Next, we're going to say recording is recording and I'll set it to an open and close square brackets, and we're also going to have true. So this recording is an empty list where we'll store the small chunks of audio. Is recording is a flag to control when the recording should stop. Now we're going to create a function and we're going to call this function record. In this concatenation, we're going to have global recording. Then we're going to say while recording, and we'll create a variable called chunk and we'll set it to SD record in 0.5 times fs. Sample rate fs channels 2. SD wait and record append chunk. So this function records audio in chunks of 0.5 seconds. SD rec, this starts recording a short piece of audio 0.5 seconds in stereo, aka 2 channels. SD wait, this makes the program wait until that small piece of recording is done. Recording append chunk, this adds the recorded audio onto our recording list. Next, we're going to say threading thread target record start. This starts the record function with a separate thread so that the main program doesn't freeze while recording. Then we're going to say input recording press enter to stop. This line waits for the user to press enter. While we wait, the background thread keeps recording. Now we're going to say recording equals false. So when the user presses enter, we set the recording to false. This tells the background thread to stop the recording loop. Next, we're going to create a variable called audio and set it to np concatenate. In these parentheses, we're going to have recording. This combines all the audio chunks we have recorded into one continuous array. Create a variable and we're going to call it file name, and we're going to call the audio recording the current date and time as a .wav file. Next, we're going to say write. In these parentheses, we're going to have file name, fs, and audio. So this line says the audio data is a .wav file with the given file name as a sample rate. And finally, we're going to print saved as, and we'll call the file name variable we just created. So this line tells the user when the recording is saved, and you'll be able to find the recording in the same folder where your Python file is located. And that's it. You've created a simple but powerful voice recorder in Python. And that's it for this one. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, I'm always looking to improve. If you have any constructive criticism or any questions or just want to say hi, then leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.